Good morning to all the students. I am Shubhangi Gondane from Mechanical Engineering Department, Tulsiramji Gaikwad Patel College of Engineering, and today we are study about the components of the SIMS. There are various components of the SIMS which is related to the various systems and which can be adopted for the different automation. The computer integrated manufacturing. The computer integrated manufacturings are very important. The SIM is the manufacturing approach of using computers to control the entire production process. This integration allows the individual process to exchange the information with other and initiated the actions. Through this integration, the computer manufacturing can be faster and less error system, and it can be implemented in every and each production house. In SIM, that is a technological concept. The SIM, it is both obtaining, that is related to the various operation for build-up, the success, middle management, line management. The SIM, it is a technology of physical realization of resources that is more capable and flexible. So first we know about the SIM. What is the concept of the SIM? What is SIM? The term SIM is comprises the three words, that is computer, integrated and manufacturing. Therefore it is known as an SIM. The SIM is the application of computer in manufacturing in an integrated way. The SIM, it attempts to combine the computer technology in order to manage the control the entire business of manufacturing. The SIM is the computerization of design, manufacturing, distribution and financially business functions into one coherent system, and that is implemented with one single system. The history of the SIM. There are various concepts which is related to the SIM. The SIMs is very important with respect to the industry. Before going to SIM, there are various implementation process of this SIM. In 1909, the Ford concept of production lines were used. In 1923, the automatic transfer lines were used. In 1952, the generation of punches paper will be used. In 1954, the first NC milling machine is used. In 1959, the application of current using digital computers. In 1960, the first NC control ultimate robot was installed. In 1963, sketched punch is used. In 1964, international business machines are developed. In 1973, there is a concept that is CNC and DNC can develop. In 1980s, there is a concept of FMS, that is flexible manufacturing system is established. What is SIM? Why it is used in industry? How it can be compared with today's environment, today's functions? That it meet the competitive pressure to coordinate and organize the data, to eliminate the paper and cost associated with its use, to automate the communication with the factory, to facilitate the simulation of the engineering processes. So all these 5 activities are come with respect to the SIM. Objective of the SIM. The main aim of the SIM is to use the advanced information processing technology into all areas of the manufacturing industry for more production and efficient processes, increase product reliability, decrease the cost of production and maintenance, and reduces the number of the hazard. These are the 4 objectives of the SIM. Behind using the concept of the SIM, you have to reduce the waste material and increase the productivity. That is the main concept of the SIM. The SIM softwares. There are various softwares which is related to the SIM. Design process, DBMS program, MIS program. MIS means the manufacturing information system. Analysis program, monitoring program, barcode program, conveyor program, job tracking program, simulation program, communication program, production control program and marketing program. These are the various softwares which is related to the SIM. The potential benefit of the SIM. There are various potential benefits, that is tangible benefits and intangible benefits. The tangible benefits means you have to see the benefits with respect to the working environment, and intangible benefit means these are gives the beneficial to the environment. So the tangible benefits are higher profit, improved quality, lower cost, reduce scrap and rework, increase factory capacity, shorter lead time, improve performance, reduce inventory, increase manufacturing productivity, increase machine utilization, etc. The computer service, greater flexibility, greater progressiveness, improve competitiveness, softer working environment, higher employee morale. All these are the activities or benefits which is intangible benefits. The potential benefits of the SIEM: improve the customer service with the quality of the product. The quality of the product that gives the fitness to the customer, therefore improve the customer of the service. Improve the quality of the product, shorter time to market with new product, shorter flow time, shorter vendor lead time, reduce inventory level, improve schedule performance, greater flexibility and recompositionness, improve competitiveness, lower cost, shorter customer lead time, increase in manufacturing productivity and decrease in work in process inventory. So this is a diagram which is related to the computer integrated manufacturing system. This diagram can itself shows the computer integrated manufacturing system layout. Enterprises resource planning. First, it is related to the enterprises resource planning. These enterprises resource plannings are correlated with manufacturing resources planning system, manufacturing execution system and engineering system. The manufacturing resources planning system can include production forecasting, production scheduling, material planning, capacity planning, production cost control, quality control. Then execution related to the shop floor scheduling, shop floor control, machine control, robotic control and process control. And engineering systems can be related to the computer aided design, computer aided engineering, computer aided process planning and product simulation and prototyping. And all these three concepts are correlated with computer integrated manufacturing, and this diagram can itself explain the manufacturing which is related to the computer integrated. The SIEM systems. There are various systems which is used in SIEM circle, that is computer aided manufacturing, CAM. It automates the production process. It automates the production process. In this computer aided manufacturing, we are drafting the material, convert the material, and the final automation, final draft copy of the working of the material is formed, and with respect to that drafting, the production is started. That is called as a computer aided manufacturing. Manufacturing execution system, performance monitoring information system for factory floor operations. Process control, control the ongoing physical processes. All the process, that process is related to the shop floor, that process is related to the raw material, that process is related to the equipment. All these processes are controlled by the physical resources. Machine control, the machine control can be actuated with the action of the machine. That action of the machine can be controlled with respect to the machine controls. The role of the computer in manufacturing. The computer has a substantial impact on all factory activities. The introduction of the computer changed the organizational structure and department and made a necessary adaptation in new management structure. With respect to the use of the computer, there is a change in organization structure and departmental structure. And with respect to that change in organization structure and departmental structure, we are managing the new management structure. The role of the computer in manufacturing. The computer of the SIEM systems can give a user substantial benefit and reduces the design cost by 15 to 30%, reduces the in-shop time part by 30 to 60%, increase the productivity by 40 to 70%, better product quality, reduce of the scrap by 20 to 50%. So this is the role of the computer integrated manufacturing. This is the information system. This information system is very important with respect to the computer integrated manufacturing. The information system involves people, hardware, software, computer, networks and data used to manage the daily and long-term operation. So this diagram can be explained with respect to the system. This is the information system. These cursor shows the information system. These information systems can be attached to the hardware, can be attached to the software, can be attached to the people, can be attached to the data and can be attached to the network. And these information systems can be gathered the information to form a one single operation, that is the integration of the computer for manufacturing and other things. So this is all about the component of the SIEM. These are the various components, these are various systems, these are implemented in shop floor with respect to the computer. So thank you very much.